I'm out here at a job today in Pagewood for a Vodafone customer. Now they've been trying to get fibre to the curb connected and they've had NBN techs come out and basically the tech couldn't find the lead-in cable and basically said to the customer that she needed to get a new lead-in cable put in. Now they came, we're here for about half an hour, they plugged an FZ in and went to a couple of sockets and didn't get a tone on it and they just left. So they called us out today because Vodafone had recommended us this customer. So we come out to take a look and to possibly put in a new lead-in cable. But before we even contemplated that, we thought we'd have a bit of a look around the house. Now, within 10 minutes, I found the lead-in cable. So, it is in a bit of an odd spot, but it's still their cables. So, up here is the box, and I'll just jump up here. Conduit there, going out from the street. And then basically the box is here, right? So you can see there's 3 lead-in cables coming into this box, right? So it's here, it's tucked away, it's hidden, but still, it wouldn't have been that hard to find. So this customer's had to pay for our service today to come out and do this, so they should be reimbursed for this. So that's why we're making this video today, because she's going to be going back to Vodafone to get them to come and connect. Now basically here, from this point down 1.8 metres, which is where they're going to need to put the socket. So they can just come down this wall, drill through that wall, and there's a cupboard in there that's got a power point in it, which has had some TV cabling in it before, which you can use. So it was pretty simple. You can see the, maybe see the conduit there. I'll go at the front and I'll show you the conduit at the front. But this is how I identified it. I'll show you. It's pretty straightforward. That's the conduit, that's the box. There's definitely leading. The pit here, it's a damaged pit, it's an old steel lid and stuff. I'll just pop it up here and have a quick sticky peek under here. But like, that's the old pit, it's old manhole actually. To the manhole, but you can see the conduit comes in and there's a box there, all right? So, and then from there, that conduit goes up there. And you might be able to see if I just zoom in, the 2 lead-in cables sticking out, and then they go into that conduit that you've seen that I just showed you on the other side there. So it wouldn't have been a stretch for your brain to sort of work that out, but obviously they couldn't. So they've had to call us to come and do it. So now she's up for our bill, so hopefully she can get that back.